Excuse me. Y'all thought I was gone? Back with that sexy smooth, because if you don't know about the best wax in the game, how are you even waxing? How can you say that you wax coochie? How can you say you wax anything? I'm gonna wax an armpit, and I'm gonna show you exactly how it gets down. So let's stay tuned for that sexy smooth and that Tickled Pink. Clean it. Look at me clean it. You see the growth? You see that? Growth. You fucking freaks. You wanted me to lick it. You nasty. I can't take you guys. Are you freaky? You ever heard of ASMR? I'll show y'all what a little bitty dab do. So if you notice, her hair grows in 2 directions, right? Right? You see it? You can't? Okay, well, I'm going to show you. Look at that. Look at how it's spread. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Look at that spreadability. Perfection. Ooh. Yes. Look at that. Let's see. Look at those roots. Look at those roots. Can we talk about it? Can I call you roots? Can I call you roots, baby? 'Cause I pulled you. Why are you looking at me like that? It's just a good armpit wax. Sexy smooth? Always. You see the vibes. It's sexy and it's smooth. Get your ass to the camera. Sexy and it's smooth. Period.